Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a lawyer after completing your 12th grade? Well, you're in the right place. This video is a roadmap to the world of law. It's a career that's as diverse as it is challenging, with opportunities in sectors ranging from corporate and criminal to environmental and entertainment law. Moreover, it can be a lucrative profession with a broad salary range based on specialization. Stay tuned as we unpack the steps to becoming a lawyer right after you finish your 12th grade. The first step in your journey to becoming a lawyer is choosing the right course. It's like selecting the right compass for a voyage. It can greatly influence your journey and final destination. In the world of law, there are several courses available after the 12th grade. Each course is designed with a specific focus, duration, and set of subjects. For instance, there's the 5-year integrated law program, which combines undergraduate education with law. There's also the 3-year law program, which is pursued after graduation. The 5-year integrated law program covers a broad spectrum of subjects, from sociology and political science to constitutional law and property law. It's a comprehensive program that equips students with a solid foundation in law, while also developing their critical thinking and analytical skills. On the other hand, the 3-year law program is more specialized. It delves deeper into legal principles and practices, offering a more focused approach to legal education. But remember, each course has its own merits. Your choice should align with your career goals and personal interests. If you're drawn towards understanding law in a broader context, the 5-year program might be your best fit. If you're looking for an in-depth understanding of specific legal principles, the 3-year program could be the way to go. Choosing the right course is your first step into the world of law. It's like setting your sails in the right direction. So take your time, weigh your options, and make a decision that will steer your career towards success. Once you've chosen your course, the next step is to prepare for the law school admission test, also known as LSAT. The LSAT can be quite daunting, but it's a vital part of your journey to becoming a lawyer. This standardized test is designed to assess reading comprehension, logical, and verbal reasoning proficiencies. The test is divided into 5 sections, each lasting 35 minutes. These sections include 1 reading comprehension section, 1 analytical reasoning section, 2 logical reasoning sections, and an unscored variable section used for research. There's also a writing section, which is not included in the score but sent to law schools you apply to. The questions are mostly multiple choice, and they are designed to measure skills that are considered essential for success in law school. This includes the ability to read complex texts with accuracy and insight, to organize and manage information and draw reasonable inferences from it, to think critically, and to analyze and evaluate the reasoning and arguments of others. Scoring is based on the number of questions answered correctly, and there is no penalty for guessing. The raw score is then converted to a scaled score ranging from 120 to 180. Good preparation for this test is crucial, as your score plays a significant role in law school admissions. Scoring well on your LSAT can open doors to top law schools. Congratulations on passing your LSAT. The next step is law school. Now, this is where the real journey begins. Law school is not merely a continuation of your education, it's the training ground for your future career. Choosing the right law school can make all the difference. It's not just about the reputation of the school, but also about how well it aligns with your career goals. Do you aspire to be a corporate lawyer, a human rights advocate, or perhaps a criminal prosecutor? Different schools have different strengths, so research thoroughly and choose wisely. Now let's talk about the duration of study. Generally, law school takes about 3 years to complete. Yes, it's a commitment, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. These 3 years will be packed with a variety of courses aimed at giving you a comprehensive understanding of the law. You'll study everything from constitutional law to contract law, criminal law to property law, and much more. Internships are a crucial part of this journey. They provide you with a hands-on experience of the legal world. It's one thing to study the law and another to see it in action. Internships allow you to apply what you've learned in the classroom to real-life situations. They also give you a taste of different areas of law, helping you decide which one suits you best. Networking, as in many professions, is key in law. Building relationships with professors, fellow students, and legal professionals can open doors to opportunities you might not have otherwise known about. Take advantage of every networking event, guest lecture, and seminar. Remember, your network is your net worth. Last but not least, let's talk about practical experience. Law school is not just about reading textbooks and writing papers. Participating in moot courts, legal clinics, and debate competitions will help you hone your argumentation skills and boost your confidence. Law school is where you'll build the foundation of your legal career. It's a challenging but rewarding journey. Embrace every moment, because it's these experiences that will shape you into the lawyer you aspire to be. With law school behind you, the next hurdle is the bar exam. This is not just any test, it's the gateway to your legal career, a rite of passage that separates law students from practicing attorneys. The bar exam is a rigorous 2-day test that assesses your understanding of fundamental legal principles and your ability to apply them. It's critical that you approach this exam with the seriousness it deserves. The bar exam is structured in 2 parts. Day 1 covers the Multi-State Bar Examination, or MBE, a series of 200 multiple-choice questions on subjects like constitutional law, contracts, criminal law and procedure, evidence, real property, and torts. Day 2 usually involves essay questions and performance tests, designed to assess your ability to handle realistic legal tasks. Preparation for the bar exam is paramount. It requires dedicated study and a deep understanding of many areas of law. Many law school graduates spend several months preparing full-time for the bar exam. It's not just about memorizing legal principles, but understanding how to apply them to different factual scenarios. The bar exam is not an insurmountable challenge, but it is a formidable one. It requires a combination of knowledge, skill, and perseverance. But once you pass, you'll be one step closer to achieving your dream of practicing law. Passing the bar exam is your ticket to practicing law. Remember, every lawyer you admire, every legal giant you've studied, they've all been where you are now, standing before the bar exam, ready to prove they have what it takes. With the bar exam cleared, you're now ready to practice law. But where exactly will this journey take you? The world of law is vast and varied, opening up a multitude of avenues for you to explore. You could find yourself in the bustling world of corporate law, navigating mergers, acquisitions, and complex contractual agreements. Or perhaps you're drawn towards the public sector, advocating for justice in criminal law or shaping policy in government roles. Family law might call to your empathetic nature, helping individuals and families through challenging times. Then again, maybe the intricacies of intellectual property law captivate you, protecting the rights of inventors and creatives. And let's not forget about the burgeoning field of cyber law, a relatively new but rapidly growing discipline that deals with legal issues related to the internet and digital technology. Each of these sectors presents its own unique challenges and rewards. As a lawyer, you'll often find yourself in high-pressure situations, working long hours and juggling multiple cases. But the satisfaction that comes from resolving a complex case, securing a favorable verdict, or simply helping someone through a difficult legal situation can be immensely rewarding. But remember, becoming a lawyer isn't the end of your educational journey. Laws evolve, new regulations are introduced, and as a legal professional, you have a responsibility to stay informed. Continuous learning is an essential part of practicing law. You'll need to regularly attend seminars, read up on recent court decisions, and stay updated with changes in laws and regulations. This commitment to ongoing education isn't just about maintaining your legal knowledge, it's also about honing your skills, refining your strategies, and constantly improving as a professional. The best lawyers are those who never stop learning, who are always striving to be better, to know more. Being a lawyer is not just a profession, it's a commitment to justice and a constant pursuit of knowledge. Becoming a lawyer after 12th is a journey filled with learning and growth. We've walked through this journey together, step by step, exploring the different stages involved in this rewarding career path. Let's recap. We started with choosing the right course, a decision that sets the foundation for your legal education. Then, we moved on to the law school admission test, a crucial hurdle to cross to gain entry into law school. At law school, you immerse yourself in your studies, absorbing the nuances of the law. After this, you face the bar exam, the final test of your knowledge and skills. And finally, the practice of law itself, where you get to apply all that you've learned. Each step requires commitment, dedication, and a deep love for the law. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are plentiful: a fulfilling career, a good income, and the chance to make a difference. Remember, the path to becoming a lawyer is a challenging one, but with dedication and hard work, it can be incredibly rewarding.